Hey guys, so today we'll be doing a makeup tutorial. I'll be doing my makeup and my friends are going to be doing the voiceover. So Amani and Mark are going to be the voices you hear. I am intentionally doing my makeup a bit harsh so that I will see what they will say. I want them to roast me a bit to make things, a little funny. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's get into the video.
So today we're creating the ultimate tourist trap and fooling men everywhere. So first you put some baby skin on your face. I don't know how much children we had to kill to get this shit, but anything to look good. And then you start drawing your eyebrows in.
So she is... Alright, it's thick and black. So we got some thick and black brows.
Gotta make sure you do the little puff with your face or else the look won't work. And then you use this wet ass light skin shit and just color around your eyebrows.
We got black with... That's a gold. We see you, boo.
Just get her in there, color around the shit.
And she applies to the next side, and look how she does it with precision. Like, this girl got some skills, man. What you should do is just stop, guys. Ain't looking pleasant.
Looking like a clown and shit, but gotta do what you gotta do to look good, right?
That is a lot of time she's spending on the brows. Alright, finally, jeez. And we're applying above the eyelid. I'm not sure how heavy her eye weighs at this point.
Then you put more of this wet shit on your face, on your eyelids, make yourself look like a clown for some reason. And you take a sponge and just top the shit in.
Alright, we understand. You get your gears, your brush. There we go.
Yeah, just blend the shit in on your eyes. Oh, is it eyeshadow? Yeah, so you just keep blending shit in whatever colors you feel like. Starting to get a look going here. At this point, I don't know how much time this is gonna take, but we getting somewhere.
Alright, so she's applying a different color that looks like a peach, an orange peach, over the eye. And as you can see, she's only focusing on her eyes because beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. So take note, guys.
Take another brush, add more color, cause we trying to look like a peacock today.
I know, like, she wants to get a certain sheen. As you can see, it looks like a shiny brown or a pink.
We gonna take all this time, trick some men, probably get a few free drinks at the bar or wherever you're going, or women, wherever you like. I have no idea how long this is going to take. Then you take some eyeliner. You got draw the lines for your eyes in apart. What even does eyeliner do? I really don't know, but we gonna need that.
You should give yourself a little extra eyebrow. I really don't know.
So yeah, just get some eyeliner and draw your wings in. Yeah, I know something here. Draw your wings in.
She has to make sure she have the bottom and the top as the same texture. No, not texture. That's not the word. But the same contrast.
Make yourself light skin, I guess, cause I know why shit's so bright, but yeah. So just add some more brown shit to your face and rub it in. Gotta make sure you take a sip of water. Stay hydrated, folks. Who needs to bleach when you could do this, right? So yeah, just keep rubbing the shit in.
Alright, so now she's doing the rest of the face. Check it out, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know what it is, but I'm going to call everything concealer until one of them really is concealer. So you spray that on your face and then you start blending shit. Really looks like makeup is just a lot of blending. So I guess if you could color in school, you're probably really good at makeup.
So she applied some that look like brown. And she's now doing the cheeks. It's fat cheeks. She's applying some more of the mascara color.
What kind of flavor? Look like we straight out of Black Panther.
Looking like a whole African queen.
And then you spread it on the eyes. Hide all the bags. Make yourself look 5 years younger. And you keep blending that in. I mean, we got a look going here.
Glow. Alright, alright, alright. Let's get it. Nah, she look like a mask. Like that. So there's this Jabberwocky's mask. Yeah, you guys, if you're not following, go watch some Jabberwocky's video in this time of quarantine.
I really don't get why y'all go through all this just to take shit off. I know you lost me at this point. I really don't know what's going on here.
So she applies the contour palette. Good, and then some powder. I don't know. That's what color is that? Is that? I don't know. It looks like a cream orange. Right? Nah, they ain't even orange. That's a cream. Oh, so what that does is basically gives the outline of the face.
Oh, so y'all really be drawing in y'all jawlines and shit. Like, this is so unfair. Like, when you're a man or a male and you don't do makeup, you gotta stay ugly if you're ugly. This is really unfair. Y'all really got good with this makeup stuff. Y'all could hide all y'all shit. If we ugly, we gotta suffer. It's rough out here.
So you already know, guys. If you're doing it as yet, go subscribe, comment, follow, like, and go run it up, because this girl got some talent right here. And just in case you're interested, you can follow her IG. Ooh, the glow is now coming in, but that's hella time though. Like, yo, careful. All right. And brush. We brush at the top some more. We gotta get the makeup in and sealed like a whole, mask. And take off the mask. Boom. There's the beauty, nigga.
When you finish with that, you just come back and go on your eyes again. Make sure you get rid of all them bags so you could look 5 years younger. I'm going to call this concealer. You don't want to get a shit in your eyes, and then you just spray your face.
So that's the thing, the guy, when you go to the barbershop, he sprays the alcohol or whatever.
You let the shit dry, and there you have it. Tourist trap complete. Oh, I was wrong. There's more. So then you gotta go to your eyelashes. I didn't really get a part. You gotta brush your eyelashes to put on false eyelashes.
And she's adding eyelashes. Like, why? Alright. Y'all just hurt yourself adding so much weight on the eye already. Like, with the amount of makeup already there. Jeez, you're gonna be sleepy.
Like, is anything even real in 2020 anymore? Is everything fake? Even your eyelashes? Really?
But she got a little glow coming in for her. Like, damn.
So you go, make sure you brush it properly. You gotta get all the extension. Make sure you shit long.
That looks like lipstick. I don't know the difference between lipstick, lip balm, and lip gloss.
We ain't gonna be able to eat properly because we don't want to mess up our lipstick, but it's gotta look good. Gotta trap these men. Gotta complete the terrorist trap.
Damn, the amount of time you guys spend on makeup. Jeez. But it's all worth it when when you step out, cause like, jeez.
So now you're on your way to rob men everywhere. Trick men out of their money. Cause you think you look like this, when in reality, let's not even get into the rate.
There you have it. 101 tutorial with O'Malley and all.
Wow, they didn't even notice that the makeup wasn't blended properly. That just goes to show that men don't really notice those stuff, Of course, in these pictures, I did blend out my makeup because I didn't want to look crazy. But for the sake of the content, I didn't, and still didn't notice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please ensure to like, share with your friends, subscribe to my page, and just keep yourself safe in these times, because we need, like, seriously people, we need to flatten the curve. I also have a podcast, and my podcast will be dropping soon. I'm trying to put out content so that you guys can be entertained. So if there's anything that you want to see from me, you can leave it in the comments, or you can inbox me on my social media. So stay safe, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.